Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, our discussion dedicated to the students of the secondary schools third grade, wishing them all success. Before we start, I remind you to subscribe in the channel, ring the bell, share with your colleagues and friends. Let us start with Allah blessing. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. What is a force? What do forces do? This is our topics for tonight. Force is a push or a pull that acts upon an object as a result of its interaction with other objects. How it is a push or a pull force? Let us see our small colleague here. First, he is pushing. Now he is pulling. Here he is exhausted. Force is a push or a pull, as we said, that acts upon an object as a result of its interaction. The interaction here are divided into two categories. Number one, contact interaction. Number two, field interaction. Let us identify the contact interaction here. There is a kitten stands on the floor, pushing down on the floor. The floor in return pushes up on the kitten, and the two forces are equal. The pushing down and the pushing up is equal. Otherwise, if force of one side is greater than, we'll find the kitten is sinking down or it is raised up. Here, if we try to identify the contact force on the yellow box, we'll find here red book pushes down on a girl. The girl is pushing down on a purple book. The purple book is pushing down on the yellow book. The second force or the opponent force is coming from the disk. It is pushing on the yellow book, and the yellow book again is pushing on the purple book, and the purple book is pushing on the girl, and the girl is pushing on the red book. Here another way of contact interaction. Let us identify the contact force on the sliding book. We have a set of books sliding on a disk from the left to the right. What is the force here and what is the interaction of it? We'll find the books pushes on the desk pushes on the books. Another force here is the book pulls to the right on the desk pulls to the left on the books. And you'll find here there is a friction between the books and the desk. Another way of contact interaction. Let us identify the contact force on the pull-up bar. Student pulls up on a pull-up bar. The pull-up bar pulls up on a student. There is 2 points of contacts here. The right-hand side of the student and the left-hand side of the student. The second category of the interaction is field interaction or non-contact force interaction, like the gravity of the earth. It is holding everybody and all objects from falling down. Now there is a magnetic field is also interacting. Maybe we cannot sense it, but we cannot deny it is surrounding us everywhere. We are surrounding everywhere by a magnetic field. Number 3 is electrical charge. Electrical charge also, it is present in our life in everywhere. Since we are not contacting this force, so feeling of it is very difficult for some people. And there is also static electricity present everywhere in our clothes and our hair and so on. That will take us to the conclusion. What is a force? What do forces do? A force is a push or a pull upon an object resulting from the object's interaction with another object. When the interaction ceases, the two objects no longer experience the force. If that was simple enough to define the force and the force types, if yes, kindly subscribe in the channel. Do commence to develop the content of our channel. Thanks for watching. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.